Now while we're here, I'm just going to do a quick reconfiguration and kind of show you what I'm talking about. This is Matt. So this is my configuration for this hike. Rainover pants, shell here, Rainover jacket here, chest rig or kit bag. So this has been working really well. I use these shock cord bracelets to hold this up from my belt or my pants, and to hold it up, this up from the kit bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this from here and actually put it on the back right here and see how that goes. This has gone very well. And I even use this to help me stabilize the camera with tilting up and tilting down. I did have to use the restroom once, number one, and I couldn't access with this here, so that's another reason why having it on the back would probably be better. Maybe this bigger one on the back would be better, but then I would lose out on the new technique I have for stabilizing and tilting. God forbid that. I do have a helmet ghillie over the kit bag, full tank tactical kit bag. This doesn't have any laser cut pals, unfortunately. And this might not work actually because it's too big. It's bigger than I would like here. So I'll try this. I'll do one up here. And I'll do another one right here. I think this is just called a lark's head knot. It's real simple. The shock cord locks it in. I'm gonna want a middle one here, I'm pretty sure. So what I'll do is I'll just double thread one. I'll turn one into two for the length. Same thing, just like that. Now it's probably gonna be too big. Maybe not. I think it will be. That's the middle one, so okay. Now I'm bringing in one here. The middle will just kind of help stabilize it a little. We don't want it to jiggle around a lot because I can't hold it with my hands anymore when it's behind me. All right, so it looks okay. We're just gonna see how practical this is. Got the stream light. I'm gonna hunker down the stream light right here. All right. Okay. We'll see how it goes. So far it feels really good. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Matt.